Okay, testing one, two, three, testing one, two, three. Okay, happy Friday. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this in the morning, good morning. Watching this in the afternoon, good afternoon. If you're watching this at night, good evening. So, your e-learning, as mentioned, you just have to uh, write down the notes that I'm going to give you. Okay, that's it. This is a condensed version of the lesson, and we will review when I see you again on Tuesday. Um, The lesson is 5.2, solving systems by substitution. And there are two types. The first type being consistent systems. Okay. The other type being, guess what? Guess what it is? Inconsistent systems. I knew you got that answer right. I knew you knew that. Okay. So I'm gonna use this equation to solve that equation. Mr. Polito, you're crazy. I know. I know I'm crazy. And I'm gonna explain to you why it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to use this equation that I starred to solve the next equation underneath it. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite it. Okay, I already kind of did this, so just follow along. Okay, make sure that you're writing everything down. Okay, everything that I do, I want you to do as well. Okay, um, and so you see that star? I want you to write that star. You see that arrow? I want you to write that arrow. Okay, so we're going to write the equation 5x plus y equals 13. Okay, I'm gonna get y by itself. And it's not what we're used to, where y equals 10, y equals 5. No, it's a little different. So I'm gonna get y by itself. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna get rid of 5x, okay? 5x is in the way. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. So I'm gonna do minus 5x on both sides. And, okay, so 5x minus 5x crosses out, gets 0. Okay, we're left with y, and then y equals 13 minus 5x, okay? They're not alike, okay? Don't confuse that. Do not subtract 5 from 13, okay? There's an x following that 5, that minus 5. So you cannot combine that, okay? So it would just be 13 minus 5x. Y equals 13 minus 5x, okay? Uh, don't subtract 5 from 13. So using y equals 13 uh, minus 5x, we're going to solve uh, this equation, okay? Uh, and we're going to plug in y, we're going to plug in 13 minus 5x into that y that I underlined right there in 2x minus 3y equals 12. So, okay, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this equation. 2x minus 3y. Well, I'm going to plug in 13 minus 5x. So it'd be uh, 3 times 13 minus 5x, close parentheses, equals 12. Okay, so we're going to distribute. I'm going to distribute that negative 3 into 13 and into 5x. So let's go ahead and do that, okay? So go ahead and rewrite the equation. 2x, so negative 3 times 13. Can you tell me what that is? It's negative 39, okay? Negative 3 times negative 5x is uh, positive 15x, okay? Uh, Sorry, I did this earlier, so I had to do something. So I distributed negative 3 into 13 and got 39. And then I distributed negative 3 into negative 5x. Remember, negative times a negative is a positive, okay? Even with division, two negatives make a positive. Negative and positive always make a negative. Remember that. It's very important. So now we're left with 2x minus 39 plus 15x equals 12, okay? So we know what to do here, okay? We need to get x by itself ultimately. But before we get x by itself, we're running into the issue of there's two sets of uh, x's, you can say. We got 2x and we got 15x, okay? Here's the thing. This is where you guys get confused. you guys tend to think, well, there's a negative after the 2x, so I'm going to, uh, no, okay, that negative belongs to the 39. Don't even look at that. So I'm going to, so 2x is positive, okay? No, I got ahead of myself. Yes, 2x is positive, okay? And 15x is positive, okay? We're we're gonna combine like terms. When we're combining like terms in the same side, you can add them together. You don't have to do the opposite. That's where you guys get confused. So let's go ahead and add that. So 2 plus 15 is 17x. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. 17x minus 39 equals 12, okay? I'm really trying not to mess up here because then if I do mess up, I have to redo this whole thing. So if I mess something up or say something wrong and fix it, follow along, okay? Because I don't want to redo this whole video. So 17x, I got 17x because I combined 2x and 15x, okay? I'm not going to subtract 2x because it's positive. No, no, no. They're on the same side. So you can just combine them. So we got 17x minus 39. Okay, what's the next thing we're going to do? Okay, we need to get 17x by itself. What are we going to do? We're going to add 39 on both sides. Okay, now that's where you actually do the opposite of what it is on both sides. Okay, so we're left with 17x equals 12 plus 39, 51. Okay, 17x equals 51. I'm sorry. Okay, well, we still have 17. We need to get rid of 17 because we need x, okay? What's the relationship between 17 and x? Multiplication, okay? What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. Okay, let's multiply by 17 on both sides, okay? What are we left with? X equals 51 divided by 17 is 3, okay? My answer is 3, okay? X is 3, okay? So this is consistent systems. We're using one equation to solve another equation, okay? This is it for that, for this piece of it. I'm going to record another section, so just follow along.